If they don't have homeowners insurance to cover a dog bite, odds are decreasing rapidly that you're going to see much. I mean, it's basically going to be about getting the owner to voluntarily pay out of money that they either earn or have. And, 9 times out of 10, there's not a pot of gold at the end of that rainbow. One of the subjects we get a lot of questions about is dog bites. What's the liability? Basically, it is what's called strict liability. If a dog bites somebody and causes an injury, the owner is strictly liable for it. You don't have to show a whole lot other than it was your dog that bit that person and caused those injuries. That's basically the bottom line. The hard part is being able to collect against the owner. So if the owner is a homeowner, and this is where we have to do work and then kind of investigate the individual and see if they have a home that they own, sometimes even their income, and get into what kind of assets they have and the ability to pay. Generally, if we can get to a homeowner's policy, that makes things a lot easier and it will provide the coverage. So again, the limits on that coverage depend on any number of factors and can vary quite a bit. But if they don't have homeowners insurance to cover a dog bite, odds are decreasing rapidly that you're going to see much. I mean, it's basically going to be about getting the owner to voluntarily pay out of money that they either earn or have. And, 9 times out of 10, there's not a pot of gold at the end of that rainbow. However, there are times where the individual is a renter somewhere else. They rent a condo, they're at a rental home, and that property owner had notice of the dog and its propensities for, if there was a bite before and they rented that house or apartment to somebody, the landowner or property owner should have checked with animal control to see if there was a record of a previous dog bite on file. If there is, that property owner will most likely be held liable and have to use that insurance coverage for the injuries caused by that dog on their property. Not a lot of people know that. And that's why these cases can get super tricky to find a source to cover the damages on a dog bite. So, and again, these dog bites can range from everything from basically a small puncture wound and cut and, maybe some antibiotics, that kind of thing, to massive permanent injuries, scarring, and can have tremendous value. Little kids who get their face bit, psychological problems, the whole bit. I mean, these can actually be really devastating injuries and can have tremendous value. So if you do get injured by a dog, call an attorney. Obviously, you want to get the information of the owner when the thing happens. If you need to get the police involved because it's serious, by all means do so. Go to the doctor, go to a hospital, get treatment, and then call a lawyer. Best thing you can do. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.